What's the meaning of catchy? Catchy. Catchy.
Catchy. Catchy. Catchy typically means something that is pleasing and memorable, often a phrase or tune that sticks in your mind. It refers to anything that has the ability to attract attention and linger in one's memory. Catchy things tend to be easily recognizable and easily remembered, making them effective for advertising, marketing, and other forms of communication. Catchiness can be achieved through various means, such as using clever wordplay, repetition, or a simple melody. Ultimately, the goal of making something catchy is to make it stand out and leave a lasting impression.